So right now my guys are doing demolition and it's only been about 45 minutes and these guys are hustling. Look, they already got the windows out, almost tore out the bathroom. I think by the end of the day, we should be done and hopefully by tomorrow we can start putting up new walls. Alright guys, I just got back to the property. It's been about, 4 hours and my demolition crew really did a number on this place. Let me show you. When you're developing a property, it's important to have a good team of workers. And you want to try to plan out as much in advance the work schedule because time is always of